For this short devotional, I would like to share to you about Christ's faithfulness. In 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse 13, it says there, if we are faithless, He will remain faithful because He cannot deny Himself. To tell you, there are 2 points that I will going to share with you about Christ's faithfulness. First is, Christ's faithfulness is constant. Second is, Christ's faithfulness is rooted in His identity. To elaborate on that to you, I would like to share to you the experience of Peter. Do you remember Peter? Peter denied Christ 3 times. That time is when Christ was about to be arrested. And Jesus told him before that happened that he will deny Christ. However, Peter, with anger, he promised that he will never fail. In fact, he said that both prison and death, he will go with Christ. Even if he had to die, he will not deny Jesus. So that's what he promised. And you know what happened when Christ was arrested and brought to the home of Caiaphas? Peter followed Christ, and then there's a certain woman saw Peter and say that he is one of Christ, one of them. Because of fear, you know what happened? Peter denied Christ 3 times. That is our tendency as a human being. We tend to fail, my friends. But the story does not end there. After Christ resurrected, He went to meet Peter. And He said to Peter, "Do you love me?" Jesus trying to reaffirm, the promise that Peter has said before. If he really loved Jesus, Jesus asked 3 times. In the Bible, numbers are very significant. 3 times means completeness. When Peter denied Christ 3 times with completeness, including swearing, yet Christ received Peter 3 times with completeness. It reminds us, my friend, that God's faithfulness is constant and rooted in His identity.